What's going on, boys? It's Braden with Current Theory. Today we are hitting our first tournament. I was invited by one of my really good friends to fish a bass tournament tonight. And this tournament is going to be held on Lake Allatoona here in Georgia. Let's see if we can get some money and get some big fish. Alrighty guys, we are here and we're about to put in. It is very busy, as you guys can see, but we're gonna get out here and slay some hogs, hopefully. We have a little uh-oh though. I did forget my clip, so filming tonight's gonna be a little tough, but we're gonna get it done. Let's go. See the bait going right to them. They both follow it down. Yep, they both follow it down.
Rumors run round, and that takes its time. About to shack outside the game. You know what I'm talking about. Just let me know if you wanna go to that whole mile on the range. They got a lot of nice girls. I'm racing.
Alrighty guys, got a couple fish. We got a good 2-pound spot right there. Caleb caught on his jig. It's about to get dark, sun's setting, it's beautiful out here. Look at this replacement. Gotcha. You let me. Oh, shit. it. Nine lines for us, baby. Let's go. Alright, and Chunko's last. Five fish, close to 11 pounds.
$11.03.
And just like that, y'all, our first fishing tournament is in the books. I quickly learned two things while we were out there. Filming a tournament in the dark is hard, and filming without my chest mount clip is even harder. But despite all of that, we had an absolute blast. I can't thank my buddy enough for giving me the opportunity and inviting me to get out there. He's one of the people from when I was a kid that taught me pretty much everything I know about fishing, and honestly, I'm still learning from him to this day. Every time we're on the water, every time we're together, he always enlightens me with something new that I don't know, which is why I'm so blessed to be his friend. It's all just the beginning, you guys, and I cannot wait to bring you along for more tournaments, more videos, more fun. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to like, subscribe, drop a comment down below. Let me know what your favorite part was. Let me know what you want to see us do next. Thanks for watching, and as always, stay tuned for more Current Theory Fishing. Peace.